Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video we're going to be taking a look at the Pentel Super Multi 8. And this is kind of a multi-pen, multi-pencil kind of thing. And I want to give y'all a word of warning when you're messing with these things if you decide to get one of these. I'm pretty sure I ruined one of these earlier when I was playing with it. Not earlier, like earlier today, but like a year or so back when I got one to play with. So, yeah, be careful. Be careful when you're messing with these things. You don't want to... I think they're a little more fragile. So, let's open this thing up and take a look at it. Alright. The one I wrecked was a different version of this, but I'm pretty sure I did wreck it. Alright, so we open it somehow? Evil sticker is keeping me from getting into this. Alright, so after you figure out the mystery of the sticker, yeah. Alright, so pen and an instruction manual. Alright, so it has a little, so it has like a little clutch mechanism here to hold the lead or the pen, and this is the selector, I assume. So we have, so for this one there's black ballpoint, red ballpoint, blue ballpoint. You have the non-copy lead, you have pink and yellow fluorescent lead, you have red, and I'm assuming HB is just normal lead. So let's see if the instruction manual holds any secrets that we didn't quite figure out. Alright. So let's see. Anything that looks like it's caution, be careful not to break lead. Lead must be retracted into lead holder before you rotate clip. I figured that out when I messed up the last one. Alright. Adjust the lead so that... Okay. Seems reasonable. Anything on the back? Yes. The exact same instructions, just in Japanese, I assume? Alright. So let's see. I want some pink lead. So... So this is the Pentel. Wow, that is pink. Pentel Super Multi 8. Alright. So that's kind of cool. So you push it in and the lead falls back into the lead holder up in here. And make sure. And then you click it over. And you can pop out the next lead, and so you get yellow, which actually does show up on the camera. So you got yellow, red. So we got red. It kind of looks like a crayon. And what else? The normal pencil lead. And these, the ballpoints, should be normal D1 refills. So you can swap those out as needed. It's red and blue. Kind of cool. So, will the lid come all the way out? Yes. So, maybe? Okay. Can y'all see in there? Right there? There's like a little metal cap on the end of it that I think keeps them in. So, how do we replace them? Alright. So let's see. Adjust the lead, blah blah blah. When the lead becomes broken inside lead holder, it will jam the pencil. To correct, align the two marks with the... that's a lot of words. Alright. Use only... Should text written with this lead not shipping copies, just the darkness. I don't know. I'm wondering how you replace this stuff. Doesn't seem to unscrew. I don't know. If anybody knows how to refill this, let me know in the comments. I'm kind of curious. It's a nifty pencil, and I mean, they're not super expensive. I want to think this one was under $10. I'll include a link in the description if you want to check it out. Let me know in the comments if you know how to refill these things. I don't see any obvious way to refill it, aside from just sliding in the front. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope you all have an excellent day.